Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to clear all your WhatsApp chats at once. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our settings by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. It's going to take us here. Next, we're going to select chats. That's located right below privacy and right above notifications. So in the last section we have here, the third option is clear all chats. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. So in order to clear all of your chats, you have to enter your phone number and then you have to click on clear all chats. So keep in mind, this will delete your message history on this phone and it will delete all your sent and received media. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!